Namaskar students. Today we are going to discuss about the use of Euclid's division lemma. That is our third lecture to make you people very strong on the use of Euclid's division lemma concept. That is the concept to be taken in care. So again I would like to remind, if something is to be proved, we have to go to see the number presenting b. Hereby 3m plus 1. So we have to think over here ki b is 3. b is 3. Sometimes we have to prove like present a square of that number 4m or 4m plus 1. In that case we'll consider b, that is 4. Means we'll consider here in this question we'll take let a is equal to 3q plus r, where r is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Hereby in this case what we'll consider, I think very clear, we'll consider b is equal to 4. Sometimes we consider 2 also. For this I will discuss for that, but hereby we should be focused on the fact what we need to consider without any mistake. So if we are taking 3q plus r, then as you people have seen any lot of these numbers is taken, say it is 101, 102, 103. In the previous lecture we had discussed about it, 104. Whatever we are taking, if we are going to divide this number by 3, so either this will leave remainder 0, or this will leave remainder 1, or this will leave remainder 2. So a can be equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. But hereby we must be careful about it. Some mistake I am committing here. The mistake is, it's okay if it is in the form of 3m plus 1, then we'll consider other than m. So I have considered q. Sometimes the question is asked from you people to prove the number is in the form of 3q or 3q plus 1. In that case we will not consider a is equal to 3q plus r, something else. In that case we can consider 3m plus r. Am I clear? I think very clear to you people कि what is required here for squaring, क्योंकि हमें इसमें चेंज करना होगा, अभी आप देखेंगे आगे. तो जब स्क्वायर करना होता है या क्यूब करना होता है, तो जो यहाँ पे डिमांड होती है लिटरल, वो हम नहीं कंसीडर करते. वी कंसीडर समथिंग अदर देन दैट. नाउ कम ऑन द टॉपिक. So we have three possibilities for a. A is either 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Means that the number will be perfectly divisible by 3, or the number will leave remainder 1 when divided by 3, or will leave remainder 2 when divided by 3. So we'll take first condition, case 1. We'll take a is equal to 3q. So square it will get squared. So we can have 9q square. This will be changed by us 3 into 3q square. Why 3 is taken out? क्योंकि देखिए हमें प्रूव करना है 3 के साथ some multiple of 3. So we'll take 3 out and rest will taken inside. So we can write here 3m, where m is equal to 3q square. Ultimately what is it? It means the number is a multiple of 3. The number is, means cube of any positive integer will be number which is multiple of 3. Or we are coming on the next. एक situation तो clear हुई. Case 2, when a is equal to 3q plus 1, then a square will become 3q plus 1 square. So 3q plus 1 square means we have to apply here identity. So 3q square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 square, that is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. So again we would like to take what? 3 and rest 1 to be made same. So this can be taken a group. and this is another group. So we can get it 3 out of from it, 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So we can write it 3m plus 1. What is m here? This number. ये m की जगह पर ये पूरा नंबर आ रहा है. तो we'll write here where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. अभी एक और सिचुएशन रह गई है. We have mostly in this year also the question was asked, the same question was asked to prove the squares, and they are doing something wrong over here. What wrong they are doing, students are doing, they are considering in form of q, whereas the question itself demands in the form of 3q plus 1. Okay, and they are considering in q. Logically I will show you here. अब यहाँ पे आप खुद देखिए, अगर आप यहाँ q लिए होते तो यहाँ अगर आप यहाँ पे m लिए होते तो कैन m be equal to 3m square plus 2m? रॉन्ग हो जाता है, इसलिए हम इस पे ध्यान देते हुए चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट केस थर्ड, a is equal to 3q plus 2. So a square will become 3q plus 2 square, that is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Again see, we have to take care of b. b कितना है? 3. So r can't be more than 3. तो हम इसको अभी भी स्प्लिट कर लेंगे. तो what shall we do? We'll take here 3q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. अब इसमें से हम 3 कॉमन लेंगे, ये 9q square है, that is 9q square. Okay, it is 24q. 12 only, 12q. Okay. So we'll take 3 common from here. We'll get 3q, 3 in bracket, 3q square plus 4q or plus 1. Plus 1, it is again in the form of 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q squares plus 4q plus 1. So in this way we are able to see कि whatever number is there, either squaring it will get a multiple of 3 or will get 1 plus multiple of 3. 1 plus multiple of 3 means that any number is squared and the squared number is multiplied divided by 3, तो either will get no remainder or will get 1 remainder. अब वो नंबर कुछ भी हो, स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी इंटीजर कुछ भी होगी तो या तो 3 1, कहने मतलब ये है कि अब 3 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर को अगर हम 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो 2 रिमाइंडर नहीं आ सकता. रिमाइंडर या तो 1 आएगा या तो 0 आएगा. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Now the question is little bit changed. We have to prove the cube of any number is either of the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now we'll see. We can consider here a is equal to 9m. A is equal to 9m plus r, where you know r will be equal to 0, 1, 2 up to 8. But hereby you can see we'll feel a lot of problem to show 8 fragments, 8 parts. So it will be bigger one. So better is that we should consider here 3m plus 1. Why it is so and how it is so, I am explaining it. 3m plus r. So when we are taking 3m plus r will be equal to 0 or 1 or 2, nothing else. Now let's see how many cases required, as many result demanded, as many cases required. So hereby 9m one case it will give, 9m plus 1 will be given by another case, and 9m plus 8 will be given by the another cases. So how many cases required? 3. And hereby each case is depending on the value of r. So r is equal to 0 is giving one case, 1 is giving one another case, and 2 is giving another case. So we need not to go for a is equal to m 9m plus r, though if you are taking it you will be correct. No one can challenge your work, it is correct. So better is that for shorten our work we are going to consider a is equal to 3m plus r. Let's see. Let a is equal to 3m plus r, where r is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Let's see what is considered here, what is to be proved here, m and m. So we must not consider here in the form of m. कहीं भी आपको स्क्वायर या क्यूब प्रेजेंट करना हो तो सेम नंबर आप नहीं लेंगे. You will not take same number as demanded in the proof final as in consideration, because this consideration will be changed for some integer as m. I hope it is clear. So case 1 will take a, or we can consider here numbers b, a 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 according to r, that is equal to 0, 1 and 2. So case 1 we have a cube that is equal to 3q cube, that is coming over 3 3 are 27, 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 q cube. So we can write here 3 into 9 q cube. Let's see what we want, 9m. So 9 multiple of something, 9 multiplied by something, so we'll write here 9 into something. We have to write 9 into something, not inside the 9, inside the bracket 9 will be kept. So we'll get 9m. What is here, m? M is, we'll write here where m is equal to 3q cube for any integer q. Q is any integer, then cube of it will be integer and cube of it will be multiplied by 3, again we will have integer. That integer is considered by us m. Okay, case 2, I hope it's okay. Then case 2, in case of case 2 we'll have 3q plus 1 cube. 3q plus 1 cube is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube means again a cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square plus b cube. So it can be written as 27q cube plus 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 again q squares plus 9q plus 1. So we can see everywhere here we have 9 as common. So we can take 9, it is now 3q cube plus 3q square plus 1 plus 1. What is it? An integer. So that integer is to be supposed at m. That is equal to 9m, where to save space I am writing here 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 3q plus 1. Now we can take third case, case 3, that is equal to a cube will become 3q plus 2 whole cube. 3q plus 2 whole cube. Getting it cubed, again we'll have 3 cube, means that a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into ab square plus b cube. So we'll get 27q cube plus ये 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27, 27 2 जा 54, 54q squares plus again 3 3 जा 9, 9 4 जा 36, 36q plus a. So we can get all these collected from here, 9 as factor. So 9 is taken out factor, then 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. That can be written as again 9m plus 8, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q squares plus 4q. Okay, so you can see whatever number you are going to consider, if you are taking its cube, then obviously we'll get either it a multiple of 9 or 1 plus multiple of 9 or 8 plus multiple of 9. You can guess something for that. Let's see, first cube is 8. So 8 is below 9, so we need not to go that. That is also true with it. For m that is equal to 0. That is also true, but we are going to see for the example bigger one. So next cube is 27. 27 when divided by 9 will get 3, no remainder at all. Okay, get 4 cube, 64. 64 we can see here 64 that is equal to 63 plus 1. It is 9 into 7 plus 1. Okay, well clear. Next we can take 125. We can take 125. 125. Now let's divide it. Dividing it, we'll get, I think, remainder 8. Okay, 9 ones 9, 4, 3 35, 9 3 ja plus 8, and 117. It is 117. 117 plus 8. So 117 is multiple of 9 plus 8. So any number, in this way we are guessing any number. Every number will be a multiple of 9, or 1 added with multiple of 9, or 8 added with multiple of 9. Nothing more than that. So it was an application of Euclid's division lemma, where A is equal to BQ plus R. Rest Euclid's division lemma application will be discussed by us in the next class, that is related to find HCF. Thank you.